Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the CRUD operations REST API using the MongoDB. In the previous video, we have talked about the MySQL connection. Now we are going to do with the MongoDB, the CRUD REST API. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please to subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please to like, share and comment on my videos. So let's get started. So first we follow the structure. So here we have the source, okay, then we have the users, right, then we have a DTO, create and update DTO. Okay, so here we have a create and update DTO that we required. Next we have the user entity, so but we have the name, email and the password. Okay, so this is a MongoDB schema factory. Then we have a users controller where we have all the API endpoints over here. So here we have the post, get by ID, update and delete. Okay, so these five operations of the CRUD are written into the users controller. Then we have a users module where we have a connectivity of that module with the mongoose. So here we have the feature name and the schema, and the controller is user and the provider is user service. Okay, next we have the user service where we have all the functions like the logic. Okay, so here we have all the logic, right? Then we have a app module.ts file where we have a connection of the MongoDB, then controllers, providers and app module. Then main.ts file where we have the on which server it is running part that we are integrated, right? So let's go to the rest step by step the REST API part. So first one, that we have a users controller. So here we have the list of the post. Okay, so first of all we will create the user. So DTO part is which one? DTO that we have to use, that is email, name and the password. So let's check, and this is user model create and the save. Okay, so let's go and just add it over here. Which port it is running? That is 4000, right? So here we have the 4000. Okay, and which is the route of it? That is users. Okay, so post for the users. So I have to add this one, users, right? So make it a post request and just add it over here. We required name, that is Rajnikant, email. Okay, then email test at the rate gmail.com. Then we have the password field. It's just a CRUD operations, so I'm not validating the email, not validating the password, just CRUD operations, just entry, right? So here I'm not encrypting the passwords and all, which we have already done in the previous videos. You can check it out, but here just CRUD operations. So this is my post request, send this one, this is created. Go and check in the RoboMongo. So we have the RoboMongo to check the is it done or not. So the database that we are using, that is CRUD. So where it is CRUD. So here we have collections, here we have users. Okay, so here we have the test at the rate gmail.com, right? So this is there, password and email. I think rest of them is the different one, right? So no worries, I think we will drop this one, drop the collection and make a new fresh collection over here. So first one, this one, let's add the second one. Okay, second, third entry and fourth entry. Okay, let's check in the DBs, is it there or not? So here we have the Mongo, and just refresh this collections users, all the data is inserted here. Okay, so let's check the code level. Create. So this is the create user model, and what are the information it will come up, it just save that user. Next, find all. So we have the find all, just get all the informations. What is the route? I think slash users get. So here we go with this one, make it the get request and just send it, and you will get to know, see all the all the data entries that we have entered. It's very easy. Moving to the next part, that is get by ID. So I need to get that information by the ID. So find one, just pass the ID. So here we have the find one information return, find by ID module by ID. Okay, so this is the by default MongoDB queries, right? So user model find by ID, pass the ID, you will get the information. So here we go with this one. So this is my ID. So I will get to know test222@gmail.com. So I need to just add this ID and make the get request, send this. You will get that information, specific information. Next one that we have, the find one is done. Then we have update. Okay, so we have find by ID by update. So we need to pass the ID and all the information that we want to set. Okay, so here we don't need to add the service over here, right? So just simple one, find by ID, pass the ID, set update the DTO and new to be true. Okay, so let's see this one. So this is would be the update request. So this is to be a patch ID, we need to pass it over here. So make it that request over here. So here we go with this one. So ID is there, that is our Rajnikant gmail.com. So here I will add the new user with this ID, that is we will add Ramesh, and we will update the this one. Okay, and the password, let's see this one. So this could be the patch request for the, whether it's to be a patch, right? So let me key update for the patch request. Okay, so send this one. Okay, so let's go and check the database, this ID. Let's try to make it the get request and check this one data is updated or not. So here you can see that this is updated, and in the DB here we have this one, this user, third one, I guess third one. Yeah, yeah, fourth one. Let's check this one. Fourth one is still there. This one, okay, this one Ramesh, third one. Okay, so this is updated the data, right? So next one, that is the delete one. So here we go with this one. So here update is simple, but find, just add find by ID. If ID is coming and whatever the data we are sending, it just updated. Next we have a remove one, that is a delete part, right? So delete one by the ID and execute that options, right? So here we have the delete. So just add the ID and the delete. So I will just put the ID, and here the ID, just put the delete one, send it. Delete count is one. So what, so how many records we have? Four. Now we have three. Okay, just you need to just pass the ID over here and just delete it. Okay, so here we go with this one. Just pass the ID and put the delete. So this is delete also. So let's go and check. Previous one is three records. Now we have two records. Okay, so this is how we are able to do the CRUD operations in the Nest.js with the help of the MongoDB connection. Any doubt, any query in that, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.